Hello everyone, this is Madhu Kumar. In today's video, we are going to be discussing about my new PC. So this is my new PC build, and it just costed me 14,000 rupees. That means it's under 15,000, right? So it just cost me $14,000, and it comes with this. I brought this one, but all of them together, this webcam, then this headphone, and then keyboard, mouse, everything, cost me under 15,000. The cost was 14,000 rupees, Indian rupees because I live in India. And even here you can see the monitor. This monitor costed me 4,000 rupees. And then this cabinet, this was literally very much cheap. This costed me just it will cost me around I think 13 no, not 13, but it was of 9,000 rupees, right? I am not able to recall the exact prices of them, but it was around 9,000 and it was around 4,000. So these two were of 13,000 rupees, and then these headphones and all these things, all these accessories, all these additionals were of 1,000, right? So this was of 500 and this was of 200, right? Mouse and keyboard, the complete setup was 150 rupees, and then this headphone, which is very much cheap. So these things are very much cheap, and I have built the PC for, not for me, but for my younger sister, and she's 20 years older than me. I'm 20 years younger than her. Older than her. So, and at the back you're going to see some cables. So there's one VGA port and there's one HDMI port here. So let me tell you the specification of this particular computer. This computer comes with an i5 processor, the CPU, and then you third generation, and then you can see memory, which is 4 gigabytes. So 4 GB of DDR3 RAM, and then you're going to see an SSD. The SSD is of 240 GB, and because you can see, you won't be putting HDD in a computer which is built in 2020, right? I built it in 2020, so HDD has gone too old, and now SSD are also cheap. So there are cheap SSD all in the market. So that's why I actually built it up. That's why I actually prefer to build a PC with SSD rather than going with HDD PC, right? So it has a SSD, it has a i3 processor, and then 240 GB SSD, i3 processor, sorry, i5 processor, i5 third generation. Then it has a 4 gigabytes of RAM, DDR3, and then that's all about its specification. And so that's what I wanted to tell you. But let me just show you the specification on the monitor so that you can believe me. So this is the game which comes inbuilt in this particular Microsoft web browser, which is better than. So I think Microsoft has improved